Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn about the ultrasonic sensor, also known as the sonar sensor, SR04. This sensor is commonly used in cars, robot vacuum cleaners, and in many applications where distance measurement is required. To measure distance, this sensor uses sound as its medium. Now let's see how it actually works. These two round components you see here are called transducers. A transducer is a device that converts energy from one form to another. In this sensor, electrical signals are converted into sound waves. Inside each transducer, there is a piezoelectric crystal. When electricity passes through it, the crystal vibrates and produces sound waves. The transducer marked with T is the transmitter. It sends ultrasonic sound waves at a frequency of 40,000 Hz. Humans cannot hear this sound because the human hearing range is from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. These sound waves travel in the form of waves, hit an object, and then reflect back. The reflected waves are received by the receiver transducer, which converts them back into electrical signals. These signals are then processed and displayed as distance values. Now the question is, how is the distance calculated? The answer is very simple. Distance equals speed of sound multiplied by time divided by 2. We divide by 2 because the sound travels from the sensor to the object and then back to the sensor. Now let's talk about the pins of the SR04 sensor. The sensor has 4 pins. GND ground or negative terminal, VCC positive voltage supply, trig used to transmit ultrasonic waves, echo used to receive the reflected signal. Now, we connect the SR04 with an ESP and measure distance. Based on the distance, we will turn 2 LEDs on. Trig pin is connected to D5 of ESP. Echo pin is connected to D6. 30 cm LED green is connected to D7. 15 cm LED white is connected to D8. The baud rate for serial communication is set to 9600. The trig pin is set as output, which means it will transmit sound waves. The echo pin is set as input, which means it will receive the signal. Both LED pins, 30 cm and 15 cm, are also set as output because they will control LEDs. Uploading the code. Now go to Tools, Board, and select NodeMCU. Before uploading the code, make sure the correct serial port is selected. For example, in this case, it is COM4. Also, before uploading, ensure that no positive wire is connected to the board. Sometimes extra power connections can cause upload errors. Now let's upload the code. At the bottom right corner, you can see the progress. First, the code is compiled, and then it is uploaded to the microcontroller. You can also notice that the built-in LED on NodeMCU is blinking, which means the code is being uploaded. Now the upload is complete, and we can see Done Uploading. Let's open the serial monitor. Shortcut key is Ctrl+Shift+M. At first, we see no echo because the power wires are not connected. Now, as soon as we connect the VCC wire, the values start appearing. You can see the distance is 61 centimeters. Now let's use fingers as an object. As you can see, the distance immediately changes to 28 centimeters, and the green LED turns on. When you remove the fingers, the distance goes back to 61 centimeters. Now when we bring the fingers closer to the sensor, you can see the distance values are continuously decreasing. When the distance reaches around 11 centimeters, the white LED turns on. So this is how the ultrasonic sensor SR04 works with ESP to measure distance and control outputs. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.